When searching for a professional carpet cleaner, keep these important things in mind. When considering removing stains, odors, germs, dust mites, or if it's time for a periodic cleaning, finding the right carpet cleaning service will provide you a more comfortable and healthy living space. Most carpet cleaning professionals will not only specialize in cleaning carpets, but also upholstered furniture, hard surface floors, along with tile and grout as well. The right cleaning service will perform a pre-inspection, walking through the location and addressing any areas of special attention. Always make sure to let your cleaning professional know if you're cleaning your carpets due to allergens. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a professional carpet cleaner that's right for you. 1. The right carpet cleaning service will offer a satisfaction guarantee, as well as occasional promotions. Make sure you ask about these things. 2. Be sure to explore the best method for your situation. Wet cleaning or dry cleaning methods are most commonly used. Your professional should suggest what's right for you. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing a professional carpet cleaner. The information we provide will